Hey friends, hopefully the wind doesn't get in the way here, but this is another fun story. So, Crazy Confessions and Stories of an Uber and Lyft Driver, episode number 24. So I pick up this really nice black lady. Yes, the color of her skin is relevant. Yet again, I did another one yesterday where the color of her skin was relevant. So she gets in my car, and I've had her a few times. She's a semi-regular where I live in Kenosha, Wisconsin. And she says, "Oh, I was so happy to see it was you when I requested my Uber ride today, or Lyft. I don't remember which one it was." And I'm like, "Oh, cool. It's nice to see you too. So why is that?" And she says, "Because you are the only male driver I will ever accept a ride from. Every other male driver, I cancel until it's either a female or it's you." And I'm like, "Oh, wow. So how come I'm the only male driver that you ever accept a ride from?" And she says, "Because all the other male drivers, they always hit on me." I'm like, "Well, that's pretty interesting because they could risk deactivating their account and they can't drive anymore. So what's the most common thing that they say where it's clear to you that they're hitting on you?" And she says the following: "Hey, do you like white guys?" So I laugh hysterically, and when I come to my senses again, I'm like, "Really? That's amazing to me that's the best they can think of." I'm a shy, socially awkward guy, especially around beautiful girls, and I feel like I could give them lessons. That's ridiculous. That's so freaking funny. So that's her reason why she only accepts rides from girls, or I'm the only guy that she will ever accept a ride from, and I just think that's hysterical. I mean, here's a moment of some vulnerability for me personally, and that is very shy and socially awkward around pretty girls. If you're a girl and I'm attracted to you and I think you're beautiful, then unless I know you or until I get to know you, I'm going to be pretty awkward. And for a long time, I really struggled with that as a kid growing up and through my teen years. And I'm going to seduce you with my awkwardness, and you're either going to be attracted to me for that or you're not, point blank. And so once I learned to accept that about myself, I embraced it immediately once I accepted it. So that was a needed thing to do. And once I warm up to somebody, I get over that initial hump of shyness and awkwardness, I warm up really nicely, like really nicely. So that has to be said. But anyway, that's my story of the most, I don't know, the craziest Uber Lyft ride I've had in the past, 24 hours, I guess. I hope you enjoyed it. And by the way, all the money that I make from lifting and Ubering, it goes into my affordable housing project, and I donate just a little to Gerson. They heal people of all kinds of disease, mostly cancer, using nature, not medicine. And the the King's Ransom Institute, I donate a little to as well. And I don't have a job. So I don't have any job money because I don't have a job, and I don't take any money from my ride-sharing business. So how do I afford my cost of living if I don't have a job and I don't take any money out? Residual income. Residual income protects your family. It funds a dream. You can travel. You can do whatever you want with your life. And I blog a lot about it, so feel free to visit my website where I blog endlessly about it, tombirkenmeyer.com. Just like it's spelled here on social media, tombirkenmeyer.com. And if you want to see what I've been doing since August of 2007 for residual money, just ask me for a beautiful blog that I've written specifically about that and see if you see something in it for yourself. So that's it, my current Lyft Uber experience. Hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share it. And if somebody said that to you, "Hey, do you like white guys?" or if you're black and somebody said the opposite, how would you respond to such a stupid pickup line?